Hello, everybody. I speak for Vidya Vikas Academy. This is only a general introduction to IELTS, International English Language Testing System, which is commonly known as IELTS, is managed by Cambridge English Language Assessment, which is a unit of the University of Cambridge. The British Council and a few other international bodies offer their expertise and guidance in managing and conducting IELTS test. It is mandatory for all non-native speakers of English to sit for this test if they want to study abroad or emigrate to the Western world where English is the mother tongue. IELTS is conducted by the British Council at frequent intervals every year. One must secure a certain level or band, as they call it, to obtain overseas admission or to work abroad. IELTS has two modules, which are academic module and general training module. Aspirants to pursue higher studies overseas must qualify in the academic module, and the prospective emigrants must qualify in the general training module. Students who want to pursue some technical course which is not equivalent to a university degree may attempt the general training module. Both the modules have reading, writing, speaking, and listening tests. While listening and speaking tests are common for both, reading and writing tests differ in content. Reading test is conducted for an hour. 3 passages with varying difficulty levels are given, and candidates will have to choose the best options in each of the questions posed. Writing tests, whose duration is an hour, consists of 2 tasks. One short paragraph describing and summarizing given data, which could be diagrammatic. The second task involves writing an essay on a given topic. Listening takes about 40 minutes. There will be 4 different sections based on general and academic topics. It will be in the form of a conversation or a speech. Questions will involve different patterns. Speaking test will take about 15 minutes. It involves 3 tasks. You will have an introductory dialogue with the examiner. Then the examiner will give you a topic with 4 points for you to talk about. You will be given a minute to take notes and 3 to 4 minutes to give your talk. The final task will be an interview with your examiner based on the given topic. So, what are we looking at here? We need to practice all the 4 basic skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing before attempting IELTS. It is challenging but not impossible. You know that thousands of people qualify every year and go abroad. All you need is to improve clarity, cohesion, coherence, language accuracy, and adequate vocabulary. You should continuously read magazines and newspapers every day to familiarize yourself with new words. We will talk more about it in our next video. Until then, bye for now.